Welcome to another Cooking with Janine Liza video, where I share some of the meals I like to make at home. In this video, I'll step you through a chicken and bean casserole. With no particular measurement, I just have a bit of salt, pepper, rosemary, sage, olive oil and lemon. And some Greek seasoning. I also use a little chicken soup base or chicken stock. Depending on how many I'm cooking for, there's between 4 to 8 pieces of chicken. This is skinless with the bone in. The amount of beans might vary, but I use 3 cans here, plus a can of diced tomatoes. Chopped up some celery and some onion with some garlic cloves. For this dish, you might need a deeper pan just because there's going to be some liquids in here. I use this 10 by 14 casserole dish. I'm just going to brown the chicken, so I'm putting some olive oil in the pan. I'm going to add salt, pepper and Greek seasoning. I'll just turn these over and add again some salt, some pepper and more Greek seasoning. I get this browned up nicely on both sides so that all that seasoning can stick to the meat, but this will be cooked in the casserole dish as well. I'm going to add a squeeze of lemon, creating a little bit of juice in here. And this juice that's left over after the meat's removed will be to saute the celery, onion and garlic. When this is in the pan, I'm going to add some of those herbs again and the Greek seasoning in order to enrich this flavour. A little more olive oil and a squeeze of lemon. Once this is all sautéed up nicely, I'm going to put it aside. Now I'm just whisking up about 3 cups of chicken broth. It's okay if there's a little bit extra. Just a little olive oil and some paper towel to grease the dish. And then I'll pour in the beans to start. Adding the celery, onion and garlic mix. Giving it a stir. Then combining the broth and diced tomatoes to pour over this mix. This liquid mix should not drown the beans, so it should just be just below the beans. So you may have extra that you can put aside, and this could be used to cook some rice, or it could be saved for stock for later. Now to place the chicken and lemon slices on top, and a little bit more seasoning. A little bit more salt, pepper and Greek seasoning. Time to cover this over using foil or a lid and place it in the oven for 75 minutes at 350 degrees. Then I like to remove the lid and place it back in the oven for another 25 minutes so the top can get a little crispy. If you find that the juices have risen at this point, because there would be some chicken juices too, you can pour some of that out into the pot to be used again for a stock or rice to go with the meal. After 25 minutes more in the oven, the juices would have evaporated quite a bit and the chicken will look nice and crispy. Now you can serve your meal and enjoy. Thank you for visiting Art with Janine Liza. I hope you've enjoyed this video and that you get to try out this delicious recipe. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, please check out Sustainable Living with Janine Liza on the Art with Janine Liza YouTube channel. And if you'd like to help this channel grow, please feel free to click subscribe. Thank you.